Okay, so for this week's video, normally my dad is training me with like shooting hoops, pitching, weightlifting, but today I'm going to be training him playing rugby. And he normally says men are made and not born, but he's not a man yet, so I have to make him one. Okay, to start off, we're going to make this sissy go a mile to the church.
I ain't no sissy.
Not after this. He's off. And he's arre. He's gone.
Okay, so this is a good drill. I use the parking stripes as a ladder, and I progressively get longer before I make the turn. And this also has some catching and passing incorporated into it.
Again, last one. No, I missed.
So I've been playing a lot more low point tournaments, and I'll handle the ball a little bit more. So this drill is to practice that pass that I really struggle with, is getting the height up over the defenders. So
Yes. Go.
I like that.
Oh, he's going with the pickup. Oh.
I messed up 3 times.
Go! Oh. Oh! Look at this dude. That was a far one. But it still doesn't matter. Another one. Oh, where is it, Dad? Oh, that was far.
Yeah.
Big dog in the house. Oh, clean transition. Okay, it's 40-yard dash time. On your marks, get set, go. Very, not bad. 8.81. 8.81. Get set, go. .43.
What did I get?
Okay, now we're gonna try mine.
Let's see what you got, Berk. On your marks, get set, go. 4.40. Show the camera, bro. That's speed. Look at that. I don't know if that's actual 40 yards, but
I hope it is.
I doubt it.
I doubt it is, but. Okay, so that was for sure not right. Because I got a 4.40 and I am not ISO speed. So we got the real measures. and it's like 3 more things. So now we're gonna retime ourselves.
All right, so we were a little off on our 40-yard dash.
Little.
Is that going to show you?
What? Yeah, it is. Oh, it's so far.
You marks, get set, go. .67. You're gonna hate that number. 6.6.
6.7. Hold up. That hurt when I ran.
You shouldn't have slowed up.
6.67. My hamstring hurts. Okay, now it's his turn. Oh, hold everything in my body right there. Okay. On your marks. Get set. Go. .08. 11.0. Okay, so my dad really likes to show off with his cool tricks, so I'm gonna show off with mine. One of them being a backflip, and another one being a side flip. I can't land that one.
I bet you're too close again. All right, so now that I'm done with my workout, it's time for cool down. But I got to try to get, my goal is to get from here to my house in under 11 minutes. That's the goal.
And I'm gonna be recording and driving at the same time.
I got it on Strava right now.
Yep. And this is what behind the scenes looks like. Look at this dude. I'm gonna die. Don't let my mom see this. And we're off. On my